Hello everyone, my name is Parul, and in this video I would talk about my experience with eVision TechnoServe. Last year I joined eVision for my system engineer internship program, and this year in January I started the Azure program. I'm really thankful to the whole eVision TechnoServe team for their guidance and support. Like it took me 4 to 5 months to complete the Azure program and then Azure Cloud program, and then I sat for the interviews, and I'm glad to share that I've already have an offer of 7 LPA, and I'll be joining soon. So in this video, I would really like to thank the whole team of eVision for their guidance and support. Especially, I would like to thank Ganesh sir and Rajesh sir for their guidance at each and every step whenever it was required. And talking about the experience, they have all the resources to teach you the technology from the scratch, right? So I would really recommend every individual to join this eVision TechnoServe. If you are aspiring your career in the IT industry, then it is a good to go situation where you can enroll yourself here, and from the scratch you will be taught the technology, and slowly and gradually you will adapt everything, and you will be able to make your place in the IT industry. So again, I would like to thank the team for their support and guidance. Without that, I wouldn't have gotten the offer that I already have. So thank you so much, team.